How can we control LLM hallucinations? Imagine asking a question and getting an answer that sounds convincing but is actually wrong. That's what we call hallucinations in large language models. These models are amazing at generating text, but they can sometimes make up facts. So how do we keep these models from creating false information? Let's explore some practical ways to control this issue. First, the quality of the training data is very important. If the data used to teach the model is biased or contains mistakes, the model might learn and repeat those errors. Using accurate, diverse, and well-vetted data helps reduce the chances of hallucinations. For example, including verified sources and removing misinformation from the training set makes the model more reliable. Next, fine-tuning the model is a key step. This means training the model further with specific, high-quality data that is closely related to the tasks it will perform. Fine-tuning helps the model better understand what is true and what is not, making its responses more accurate. For instance, a model used in medical settings should be fine-tuned with trusted health information to avoid spreading false medical advice. Prompt engineering is another effective method. This involves designing clear and specific prompts that guide the model toward giving accurate answers. Instead of vague questions, asking detailed and precise questions helps the model understand exactly what is needed. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about history," asking, "What are the main causes of World War II?" directs the model to focus on a specific topic. Human oversight also plays a big role. Having people review and verify, the model's outputs can catch errors before they reach users. This is especially important in sensitive areas like healthcare or finance, where misinformation can cause real harm. Human reviewers can correct mistakes and improve the model's responses over time. Finally, developing algorithms that can detect and flag potential hallucinations is a promising approach. These systems analyze the generated text and identify parts that seem unlikely or inconsistent with known facts. When flagged, these responses can be reviewed or rejected, ensuring only accurate information is shared. In real-world applications, controlling hallucinations is vital. For example, when using chatbots for customer service, accurate responses build trust. In creative tools like image generators, reducing false outputs makes the results more realistic. And in productivity plugins, correct information saves time and prevents misunderstandings. From an ethical point of view, controlling hallucinations helps maintain trust in artificial intelligence. If AI systems spread false information, it can lead to serious consequences. That's why researchers and developers focus on creating methods to minimize errors and improve the reliability of large language models. By combining better data, fine-tuning, prompt design, human review, and detection algorithms, we can make these models safer and more trustworthy for everyone.